Hey guys, this is a new video I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna try to show the repair process from start to finish. So this is a switch that I bought online. I got it fairly cheap, and the issue they put it that it doesn't work. And sometimes there's a miss and hit with these, but let's give this one a try. So first thing I do is I stick this in to see if this is working, and nothing. There's no power. No power is going in. And I flip around and nothing. Let's try to turn it on, see if anything. Nope. Nothing. So I'll have to open it and see what's going on. So let's open it up. Hey guys, I got the board here. I got it on my bench. And I probed around. I didn't find any shorts. And then I took a look underneath here on the HDMI. And look at that. There's pins are missing. Some are bent, some are missing. Crazy. So yeah, we're just gonna replace that and see what happens.
17, living out a dream while these niggas wanna sleep. 17, I'ma steal the keys while my mama going sleep. 17 with a new love for the streets. 17, hitting 17 on the E-way. Cause you just wanna see outside, but the buzz don't run this late at night. Oh, how lovely it'd be to take you for a ride in the street like your face glows. Backing out the driveway, 100 on the highway. A youngin' on a joyride, and I'm hoping they don't find me. I know my mom will never find out if she isn't awake by now. I'ma whip it till it's light out. Shit, I just grabbed the keys like I am out and about in the world. Out in the world. Living out a dream while these niggas still sleep. 17, I'ma steal the keys while my mama going sleep. 17 with a new love for the streets. 17, hitting 17 on the E-way. Backing out the driveway, 100 on the highway. I whip it on a Wednesday. Watch how I treat it like it's Friday. A youngin' on a joyride. My lady, I'ma slide, just enjoy the ride. I cannot complain with life, seems it's going right. But if we get caught, then we going down for the night. Her memory resemble the mileage. Don't let mama find out, she would trip about it. I went for a trip, paid for by my allowance. I'm loud as a mouse, then out the house, and I'm out on the town. And I swear I whip like I'm Kunta. That whip life too crucial. Cause you just wanna see outside while the bus don't run this late at night. Hop in a while you down the trail.
Alrighty guys, here we got the switch put back together, and we got the new HDMI port. So now let's hook it up, see if it works. Alrighty, so I got it in there. It is charging. I see that it turned on right away. And there we go. I got this really good deal, and now it's working. The touch sensitivity is scratched, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna likely sell it like that and let that be somebody else's problem. But the main thing is that it's working now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like. And before I go, let's test the other side, make sure the other side works. So I switched it on, and it works. You have a good day.